got a shoe. I'm gonna unbox it. So let's do it. Today we're gonna dive into the Playoff 8s, which last time we seen them was in 2013 and 2007. And in 2023, I do believe it's been released twice. Mistake me if I'm wrong. I got the early release recently, maybe like 2 weeks ago. It came out again, only if they ended up pushing that release date back. You know, 8s have been a limited thing when it comes to colorway. I think we've seen majority of those colorways play out in 2013, between like 2010 to 2013, right? But one of my favorite colorways, I'm gonna say, is gonna be the Aqua 8s, the white and the black version. But these Playoff 8s, we're gonna get into them, unbox them, see them on feet, and you know, check them out, see how they look. I'm somebody who's all about design. When it comes to unboxing a shoe, is what the box looks like that the shoe comes in. You have the black cover with the gray bottom. You'll have the Air Jordan on top, the Air Jordan logo on the top of it, and then on the side you'll have your size. Women, I fucked that up. It shows one size, and then it shows UK and everything else. So first impressions on the shoe is pretty much straightforward, simple. First impression on the shoe, they don't really speak to me that much compared to the quality that was on the Aqua 8s. This one looks a little cheaper. If you're an 8 fan and you know you have a dusty pair of Playoffs, I definitely recommend these. And they're still available at plenty of stores. Like I just looked online, Dick's Sporting Goods has them. We're on the Nike app, on Hibbett Sports, depending on what location you're in. You have the suede on the sides for the strap, and then maybe it's all, this is kind of like a leather. It's not even a suede, it's a type of leather that's on there. And of course across the strap, you'll have the 23 on it. And where the straps are pulled in at, you'll see that Air Jordan on there. On a scale of 1 to 10, these is a mid. Will I wear these? I'm not excited to wear them, but I'll wear them eventually. Because I just know as of right now, I really don't wear my 8s, the current pair of 8s that I have. I don't wear them that much. So me trying to put on these, I don't know. I mean, it has the classic black and red colorway, but other than that, I don't know if I'm losing my love for Jordans. I'm just gonna say it's mid because it just feels like a general release, but I don't think this is a shoe that we needed for 2023. This actually wasn't a shoe we needed for 2023. We could have been good without it. Overall, I'm gonna give this shoe a 6 out of 10. But yeah, so I'm gonna give this shoe a 6 out of 10. A pretty comfortable shoe. The sole inside of it, to me, is super comfortable and I love it. I do appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But for real though, below, let me know, do you believe that the Playoff 8s could have been a shoe that Nike could have kept for 2023?